Hello viewers, Merry Christmas to you all. I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today I have an interesting idea to wish Merry Christmas via WhatsApp. So basically what we're gonna do, we send our own customized sticker in spite of simple text messages on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's get started. So first thing first, we simply have to download this application which is Bobble Indie Keyboard from Play Store. Now open this application and simply switch to Bobble AI Keyboard like this. Now again a pop-up message appears, simply switch to Bobble AI Keyboard. Now your application is ready to use, tap on sticker and you get many stickers for Christmas. But we want our own customized sticker. So for that what we're gonna do, we simply tap on this camera option, give permission to this app. Now take your picture or simply choose your any pic from gallery. So I have chosen this pic. Now simply tap here, select your gender, select your relation, select age, and your head sticker is ready. Now you can see that every sticker has your customized head. Now to share it on WhatsApp, what you have to do, simply tap on sticker, select WhatsApp and simply send. But you can see that it is in image form. To share it in sticker form, you simply have to tap on this icon. Now you can see that every sticker here has your head. Now slide this menu, tap on send icon and select any sticker that you want and simply send it. So have you seen how easy it was? So forget about simple stickers, send stickers with your face head easily. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel and also make sure to comment on this video. Also you can visit to Gossipfunda website from given link in description.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature and it haunts me somewhere.